Today, we're diving into something revolutionary, how DeepSeek can completely transform your life, both economically and time-wise. If you're someone who wants to save money, optimize your workflow, and get more done in less time, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned because this is going to be a game changer. What is DeepSeek? So, first things first, what exactly is DeepSeek? It's an AI-powered tool that helps individuals and businesses make smarter decisions, automate tasks, and analyze complex data effortlessly. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, student, or business owner, DeepSeek enhances your productivity and helps you save resources. Economic benefits of DeepSeek. Now let's talk money. How can DeepSeek help you economically? Well, here's how. Reduces workforce costs. Instead of hiring multiple analysts, marketers, or assistants, DeepSeek automates data analysis, content creation, and market research, saving businesses thousands of dollars. Increases revenue streams. If you're a content creator, freelancer, or e-commerce owner, DeepSeek can generate ideas, optimize pricing strategies, and improve customer targeting, leading to higher earnings. Cuts down subscription costs. Instead of paying for multiple software, DeepSeek integrates various functionalities like data analytics, AI writing, and automation tools in one platform, reducing the need for extra expenses. Smart investment decisions. For investors, DeepSeek's AI-driven insights help in predicting market trends, optimizing portfolios, and reducing financial risks. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, there's more. Time-saving advantages. We all know that time is money, so let's talk about how DeepSeek helps you save tons of time. Automates repetitive tasks. Whether it's scheduling meetings, responding to emails, or generating reports, DeepSeek automates it all so you can focus on what truly matters. Faster decision-making. With instant data analysis and AI-driven recommendations, you don't have to spend hours researching. DeepSeek provides insights in seconds. Streamlines. Workflows. Whether you're a team leader or a solo entrepreneur, DeepSeek integrates seamlessly with your work processes, reducing bottlenecks and improving efficiency. Reduces learning curves. DeepSeek's AI tools provide smart suggestions and insights, so you don't have to spend weeks learning new skills. The AI assists you in real time. Life examples till not convinced? Here are some real-life examples of how DeepSeek has changed lives. A small business owner saved over 20 hours per week by automating financial reporting and customer service. A freelancer increased their income by 40% using AI-driven content creation and marketing insights. An investor made smarter decisions, reducing financial losses and increasing returns using AI analytics. Final thoughts in CTA. So there you have it. DeepSeek is more than just an AI tool. It's your personal assistant, financial advisor, and productivity booster all in one. If you want to save money, optimize your time, and take your work to the next level, give DeepSeek a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more game-changing insights. Let me know in the comments how you'd use DeepSeek to revolutionize your life. See you in the next video.